Hello everyone, this is my next video. Today I am going to explain the code question number 45 jump gain 2. For the given question, if you are a given zero indexed array of integers nums of length n, you are initially positioned at the nums of 0, means we are initially at the first index. Okay. Each element nums of I represents the maximum length of forward jump from index I. In other words, if you are at nums of I, you can jump any of nums of I plus 1 where the given constraint 0 should be less than or equals to j and should be less than or equals to nums of I, and I plus j should be less than n. We need to return the minimum number of jumps to reach the nums of n minus 1. The test case are generated such that you can reach nums of n minus 1. Basically, what they given question, they given on array nums. We are positioned at the 0th index. We should travel up to the last index. How much possible less number of jumps we should take, which is the less number of jumps that we need to return. In the example one, what they given 2, 3, 1, 1, 4 with the 5 elements, and they told 2 jumps from first index to last index. We are taking only 2 jumps. In this example, it is also similar. They given 5 elements. We are at the first index. We are jumping from the to the last index only in the 2 steps. Okay, that we need to return. We can briefly understand in the whiteboard. We can take first example now. 2, 3, 1, 1, 4. See, when my I value will be pointing to 0, it is 2 steps. We can move the year or year. That is one way. Now I will show when we can move year. Okay. Then our I value will be 1. Then we can move now year. I value will be 2. Move year. Now I value will be 3. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump. We take 3 jumps. We can take in another way. When we jump it to year, I value will be 1. We can jump directly to the ear. Okay, that is in jump in 2 ways. In another way, we can jump ear to ear 1 and ear to ear 1 jump, 2 jump, ear to ear 3 jump, ear to ear 4 jump. Jumps equals to 4. In the 3 ways we can possible, but we need to return minimum number of jumps. See, this is okay. I will go with now second example. They given 2, 3, 0, 1, 4. Okay, first step is 2 steps. We can go here or here. We can come here. This is jumping how many steps? In 2 steps. If we jump it here, we can't go. Okay, so our jump is 2 because 0 steps, 0 jumps are there. 0 jumps, we can't move to the next index. Okay, now we can enter into the coding part. In coding part, I will show first brute force approach by using a dynamic programming. After we can code it in optimized solution. I taken n as variable, initialized with the num size array in the n variable. After that, I created one vector of integer type with with the name dp array. Uh, all all elements with be n with initialized with -1. How it has been created means it is one dp array. Here our n value is 5. If we take means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All elements are set to -1. Okay. Um, Here dp of n minus 1 is set to 0 means n is 5, 5 minus 1 4. dp of 4 is only set to 0 because we need to jump to that index. Okay. So after that I take on a for loop. I started to iterate. It will start from last previous second element up to it will traverse up to the first index. Okay. Up to the 0th element. After that in the for loop what I done, I take on one m. I initialized it to the 1e5. Here 1e5 or we can tell 1G3, so 1 lakh. It is an int max. I will be stored in the m variable. Okay. After that, I will take another for loop with pointer j. I started from first element. It will traverse up to the nums of I. Then it will increment. If the for loop is condition is correct, then I will check the if condition. When if condition will be when I and j are added, it should be less than or equals to n minus 1. If it is there, if the condition is true means, then I will execute this statement m equals to min of m 1 comma dp of I plus j. Okay. After completion of this for loop, I will set dp of I equals to m. What the m is gain? that I will be stored in dp of I. After completing of iterating all the elements, finally I will be returning dp of 0. Okay, this is the logic of this code. We can dry run the code now. What I done here, I taken n variable and initialize the num size. Here n value is 5. Okay. After that, I created one vector of integer type dp of n comma minus 1. Means of all the elements of n are initialized with minus 1. But last index will be set to 0 because I set it here dp of n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 means here 4, dp of 4 will be 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. After that, I started to iterate the for loop. It will start from last second element. I will be start from 3. It will traverse up to the first index. We will iterating. Here m will be initialized. After that, I take on for loop. It will start from j, from first element to the nums of I. Here j value will be 1 starting. 1 is less than, we need to check here. Nums of I means nums of 3 we need to see. Here nums of 3 is 1. Yeah, this condition is true. Now we will check the if condition. I plus j should be less than or equals to n minus 1. Here I is 3 and j is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 should be less than or equals to n minus 1 means 5 minus 1 4. Yeah, this is true. This is true means what we will do? We will execute m equals to main. Here m is 1 5. Okay, comma 1 plus dp of I plus j. Here dp of I plus j means here 3 1 I and j. 3 plus 1 is 4. dp of 4. Here dp of 4 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. We are taking minimum value. Here our m will be 1. Okay. Now j value will be updated to 2. Okay. Now we'll check 2 should be less than or equals to nums of 3. Here nums of 3 is 1. This condition become false. Will come out of this for loop. We will be set the condition out where dp of 3 will be 1. Now I value will be 2. J will start from 1. Now we check the condition. 1 should be less than or equals to nums of 2. The nums of 2 is 1. Yeah, this is true. Now we check the condition. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 should be less than or equals to 4. Yeah, this is true. Now we will update our m. M will be now min. Here m value is 1 if I 1 plus dp of I plus j is dp of 3. The dp of 3 value is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. We are saying 1 if I. We are taking minimum value is 2. Okay, now our m value is 2. Now we will update our j to 2. Now we check the condition. 2 should be less than or equals to nums of 2. Nums of 2 is 1. Yeah, this condition will become false. Now we will m will be stored in dp of 5. dp of 2 will be 2. Now I is 1 and j is 1. Now we'll check the condition. 1 is less than or equals to nums of 1. 1 is less than or equals to nums of 1. What is there? 3, right? Yeah. This condition is true. Now we will see the condition of if. So if what is there here? I plus j should be less than or equals to n minus 1. Here 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is less than or equals to 4. Yeah, this is true. Then we will execute m. Here m will be now m equals to min. Here m is 1 is 5. 1 plus dp of I plus j is 2. dp of 2 is 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 will become 3. Minimum will be now m value will be 3. Okay, now j value is updated to 2. Now check the condition. 2 is less than or equals to 3. Yeah, this is true. Now we will update our m. M value will be min. Here m value is 3. We will 1 plus dp of 1 plus 2 is 3. dp of 3 is 1. Okay, m value is here 3 comma 2. Minimum value take we will take 2. Now j value is updated to 3. Okay, now we will see the condition. 3 should be less than or equals to 3. Yeah, this is true. Now we will check the condition. I plus j. Here 3 plus 1 4. 4 is less than or equals to 4. Yeah. Now we will update m. M will be now min 2 comma 1 plus dp of 3 plus 1 is 4. dp of 4. dp of 4 is 0. 1 plus 0 will become 1. We are taking min. Here m will be now 1. 2 comma 1 will be, now minimum value is 1. We are taking 1. Now j is updated to 2. Now we'll check the condition. 2 is less than or equals to 2. Yeah, this condition is true. Now m equals to min 2 comma 1 plus, we will see dp of 2 plus 0. dp of 2 is 2, and m min of, we are taking minimum value 2 comma 3, will be, m value will be 2 now. Okay. Now j value will be updated to 3. Now check the condition. 3 is less than or equals to 2. Yeah, this condition will become false. Will come out of this for loop. We will set dp of 0 is 2. Finally, we are returning dp of 0. dp of 0 came 2. We are returning we can understand the time complexity and space complexity of this logic. The time complexity is taking big of n square. Because we are using nested for loop, it takes time of big of n square. Where space complexity is taking big of n. We are taking here n space, so it is taking of big of n. There is another better optimal solution that I will show now. In this logic, what I done, I taken starting three variables, jump, max, and current. All are initialized to 0. After that, I taken for loop. It will start from first element. It will traverse up to the last one element. Okay, last but one element. It will traverse. After that, it will increment. If the for loop the condition is true means, then it will update our maxi to max of maxi comma nums of I plus I. Um, After that, I will check the condition. If the current is equals to I, then I will increment my jump and I will update my maxi value in current. After completion of iteration of the for loop, I will return jump. Okay. Let's begin dry run. I will dry run with first example. 2, 3, 1, 1, 4 with index of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Setting our jump value to 0, maxi value to 0, and my current value is also to 0, initialize it to 0. Our I value starts from 0, it will travel up to 0 less than 4. Then max will be now max of max is 0, here nums of 0 is 2, I value is 0. So max value will be 2 now. Okay. Now check my current is equals to I. Here current is 0, 0 is equals to 0. Yeah, then my jump will be incremented to 1 now. My max will be stored in current, and max is 2, my current will also be 2. Okay, now I is updated to 1. Then I will check the condition. Max equals to max of, here max value is 2. Okay, 2 comma, here nums of 1 is 3, plus I value is here 1. Here 2 comma 4. Max value will be 4 now. Max value will be 4. Okay. Now we will check the condition now. My current is here 2, but I value is here 1. These are not true. This is false. So we will not enter into the if condition. Okay. Now I value will be updated to 2. Okay. Now we will check the condition because 2 is less than 4. Yeah. Now we will enter into the for loop where max is 4. Here nums of 2 is 1. Nums of 2 is 1. Here I value is 2. Here max will be here 3. 4 comma 3. Here max value will be 4 only. Okay. Now I will check the condition. Current is 2 and I is also 2. Yeah. Now we will increment the jump by 1. Our jump value will be 2. Now max value stored in current will be 4. Okay. Now we will update I to 3. Now max will be 3 should be less than or equals to 4. Yeah, this condition is true. Now we will to max will be 4. Here nums of 3 is 1. Here I value is 3. 4 comma 4. Max will be 4 only. Okay, now we will check the condition. If current is 4 and I value is 3. This is false, so we will not enter the if condition. Now I value will be 4. Now check the condition. 4 is less than 4. Oh, this condition is false. We will come out of this for loop. we are returning the jump. Your jump is 2, so we are returning 2. Okay. In this logic, we can understand the time complexity and space complexity. The time complexity is taking big of n because we are iterating all the elements once. The space complexity is taking big of 1 because we are not taking any extra space. We are taking only constant amount of space. We can run the code now. Yeah, this is accepted. We can submit the code. Yeah, this is accepted solution. Thank you guys for watching my video.